beautiful, welcome back. Today I have a little makeup haul. I don't know why I said little, but yeah, it's kind of little. So I bought some makeup. Is not recently released makeup because I can't keep up with that. So it's just new to me because I haven't tried these items. And yeah, if you guys want to see what I bought, then keep on watching. So I purchased a few items from BeautyBay. You guys know that I love BeautyBay so much. They have a variety of brands that I can get here in Spain. So I love BeautyBay so much. And no one told me that Latte 2 from Dominic Cosmetics is now available on BeautyBay. Oh my god, shame on you. So I just discovered that the eyeshadow palette is now available on BeautyBay. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I need a new eyeshadow palette? Absolutely not, but I wanted to have that in my collection, okay? So I bought 4 items from them, and since I mentioned the Dominic Cosmetics, I'm going to start with her. She's so cute, like, oh my god, it looks like it has coffee stains on it, and wow, that's so genius. And also it has texture, it's not just printed, and the packaging is beautiful. We have the colors on the back and also the name. So this is just the sleeve. So this is the Latte 2 eyeshadow palette, so cute. And again we have that texture on the, oh my god, don't look at my nails, please don't do that. I'm going to show you the inside in a second, but I'm so impressed, like the texture and how it looks like it has coffee stains on it. And this is how it looks. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. Oh, smells sweet. It doesn't smell like coffee. I just digged my nose in frappe, I think. It smells sweety. But it doesn't smell like coffee. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with this baby. She's gorgeous and the camera doesn't want to focus. Oh, now you can see. So this was a little bit more expensive than the Latte eyeshadow palette, like the first one. I paid 35 euros and 75 cents, and I don't know exactly how much I paid for the first eyeshadow palette, but it was a little bit more cheap, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so basically this was the reason I placed the order on BeautyBay, because I wanted to have this cute little palette. And next I have 2 eyebrow pencils from the same brand, and oh my god, this is my 3rd time purchasing this pencil, and I need someone to remind me to not buy this anymore, because apparently I make the same mistake every single time. I don't learn from my mistakes. This color, this is in dark brown, okay, but this is way too red for me, and as I said, every single time I'm making the same mistake, and I need someone to tell me don't buy that anymore because it doesn't match your eyebrow color. Okay, look at this. Okay, and then we have this one from the same brand, same color. Okay, please focus. It says dark brown, and on this one it says dark brown. Okay, I'm not crazy, you guys, but the color on this one is amazing. I did my eyebrows with this one today, and also this has weight. This feels expensive, even though I paid like 8 euros or so. I don't know exactly, but look at this color. Look at this color. What a difference, right? It's like same brand, same color, but they are different. So they have the spoolie on the other end. So this is the Define and Fill brow pencil, and it was €6.95. And this one is the microblading effect, and it was €4.95. And the last product I bought from BeautyBay is this Jouer long wearing lip cream liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Mure. And let's open this baby. It's a bright pink, as I remember. Oh no. So yeah, online it looked way more pink, more bright, you know, But this is cute too. This is like a, it's like a lavender color, but as I said online, it looked pink, like a bright pink, Barbie bright pink. Let's see how it looks. Oh, this is cute too. Not mad, not mad. And it smells sweet, delicious. This was oh, this is limited edition, but this was 11 euros and 90 cents. So this is all I got from BeautyBay. And then I bought a few items from ColourPop, and I know I said I won't be buying from them because custom fees, but this time I was lucky, I guess, because it wasn't retained on customs. And I guess it's because I haven't bought any eyeshadow or any powders. I mean, yeah, I do have some powders. Anyway, so yeah, I guess I was lucky. My package wasn't retained in customs. That's amazing. Wow, that's amazing. Let's open this baby because I haven't opened it. And I hope you didn't saw my address. And if you saw my address, well, send some goodies my way. Also, I have to mention that this arrived pretty fast. It took less than 2 weeks to arrive, and that's amazing. And let's see what we have inside. This is the bill. So yeah, I bought 11 items from them. I'm not gonna show you how much I paid. Anyway, so it says, "You light my world." Oh, that's so cute. Oh, what is this? This is a pressed powder eyeshadow. Sorry we're late. Oh, but you're not late. Okay, thank you. This is a little gift. I haven't purchased this. Well, let's see what shade is this. That's so cute. ColourPop. Thank you. This is in the shade Unsupervised Metallic. So that's cute. Thank you, ColourPop. But I don't have a magnetic palette to put this in, and I hope I don't lose it. So I purchased a few items from Fort Ray, something from Soul Beauty, and a few items from ColourPop. So I'm going to start with this one. Kathleen Lights raves about it, and I had to have it. This is the Glisten Up Mist for an instant glowing complexion. So she said that she loves this so much. This is how it looks and is illuminating. Wow, that's so nice. Let's see how this smells. Oh wow, it smells like, I don't know, oranges, camu, hyaluronic acid, white tea, and vitamin C. I'm going to mist this on my face, and I hope I don't get it on my hair because my hair is so shady. I'm going to put the prices here on the screen or in the bottom bar. So let's oh my god, this is so strong. It smells so good, but the mist is like in your face. Ooh, ooh, I got that in my hair too. I am not happy about that. Jesus, that was so aggressive. Oh wow. Anyway, moving on. Next I got this Soul Beauty Soul Body. Why did I thought it was Soul Beauty? Anyway, this is the Shimmering Body Powder in the shade Rosé. And wow, it's huge. Ooh, look at that. I like the color, the packaging. And let's see the, oh wow, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful, and also is huge. Like you see how huge this is. I want to swatch it on me hand. Let's see. Oh, it smells good too. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to swatch it, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's mesmerizing. I want to say that the plastic, it feels kind of cheap, and also it has a mirror. Wow. Okay, I'm going to swatch this. It feels no. Oh my god, it feels nice. That's so metallic. Please don't look at my nail, please. Oh my god, that's so metallic, camera can't focus. It feels very soft. My camera can't handle this shine. Like, it's too much for my camera. But this is so beautiful, and oh my god, I cannot wait to put this on my face. I already have a little bit of highlight. Next we have the Peach Please Just a Tint lip crayon bundle. So it has two colors, and the packaging is so cute. Wow, they look pretty too. So we have the Rise and Shine, and this is the Give Me S'more. So pretty. I want to swatch them on my hand. It smells like peaches. Wow, so delicious. So I'm going to swatch it on my other hand. So this is the Rise and Shine. Wow, it feels so creamy. And this is the Give Me S'more. This is a little bit more deep. I don't know if you guys can see that. I really like the shades and how they smell. Wow. I really like the concept on these crayons. It's like a tinted lip balm, so you keep your lips hydrated and cute. And next we have the Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick Duo. Again, I got the duo, and this is pretty new from them, and this is in the shade Lofty Goals. And let's see the colors. I don't know, the finish on this is like a matte velvety finish or glassy velvet finish. I don't know, is that a thing? And let's see the color. This is in Air Kiss. Smells sweet. Wow, that's so moussey. It has that moussey texture, and it doesn't look too pigmented in my opinion, but I think it's buildable, and the camera doesn't want to focus. That's so shady. And then we have the pudding. Oh, all right. So they are not extremely pigmented, but I feel like they are very buildable. On the lips, I already have lipstick. I won't try them on right now, but the texture, like the formula, feels very moussey. Next we have a Super Shock eyeshadow. This is in the shade Mint for You, and honestly I don't know why I bought this. And also online it looked way more bright like the packaging as I'm seeing right now. Let me open this first. Wow, I really like how these feel. Oh, sorry, I take my words back. Oh my god, this feels so creamy. Okay, so next I have 3 liquid liners and 3 lip pencils, and I bought the shades Another Round and 2 BFFs. So I bought 2 pencils in the shade BFF because it reminds me of the Skimpy pencil, also from ColourPop, and apparently this is no longer available. I don't know what's going on because this is my favorite nude lip liner. Let's see. Oh, this is a little bit more brown, more deep than Skimpy, but it looks very similar to Skimpy. Oh, sorry, Skimpy. So this is Skimpy. Oh, actually, yeah, Skimpy has a little bit of that rosy, peachy undertone. Oh, and this is how Another Round looks, is this one right here. Very cute, very similar, so this is my type of nude, okay? And last but not least, as I said, we have 3 liquid liners. I mean, I have 2 liquid liners, and this is the creme gel liner. I don't know what's the difference. This is in the shade Hey Dude. Let's see. Oh yeah, so I bought this to put this in my waterline, and looks a little bit crazy, but it's okay. Next is this liquid liner in the shade Grenade, and it's crazy, but I don't have a brown liquid liner in my collection and I wanted to have one. See how it looks? Oh, it's pretty dark. It looks very nice. I hope it's not shiny. I hope it doesn't stay shiny. Please don't. Please don't be shiny. Please don't be shiny. And last but not least, we have another liquid liner in the shade Graceland. And I don't know what color is this. Is the black? Oh, it's the white one. Okay. Okay. It's not that pigmented, I'm going to say, but doesn't look bad, and I hope you can build this. Alright guys, so this is what I recently purchased. Stay tuned if you want to see any of the items in action, because I'm going to use all the products in my future videos. Everything I bought, I'm excited to try because they are new to me and I want to see how they look on me, if they work for me. I'm excited to try new makeup. As I said, that's why I buy new makeup, because I'm excited to try it to see if it works for me and if I like it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Let me just drink some water.